Kajela Meghalaya kalong kejaka kaba kerpang bha ha kaba kejaka jengok kai pertai kibun bha bat omlaru banlen ba kesorkar jela kekwa bha ban kentiu ya kini kam jengok kai pertai bat kumjuru ban ai kam ajam ya kinong shnong hapo kajela haba pai khendiat ha kawai ke Shnong kaban hatem riboy district kata ke Shnong Mawlyndep kalong kawai ni kejaka kaba la bha ban Khring ya kinong wan jengok kai pertai lengba ke Jingdon jong ke Pung Umiam kaba penmi ya ke boarding elektrik kaba hedu hapo kajela haba pen songo shushu ya kejeng temu jong ke Shnong kalong ba ke Shnong kadon ni kicaka ki ba pau bat biang ban wan kai ki paj ba lah ki kam songo ba ni ki kam pen ja than haba pen songo shushu ya ke ni ke benta urang ba Shnong jong Shnong Mawlyndep ulong ba ke Shnong kadon ni kicaka ki ba pau bat biang ban wan kai da ki paj ba lah ki kam songo ba ni ki kam pen ja than kene ke Shnong ka pau nam bha ki jaka wan bam khana sngo bha ha ki jaka ki ba pau nam ka bala penbit penbiang da ke Shnong kum ka krem dengim ka bala ru bani ui ya ka Pung Umiam baro ka wei bat shushu urang ba Shnong upun sngo ba ka dor bar Shnong ka don ya ke jaka ka ba biang bha bandon ke jaka shong kai pengat ki jaka shong ling ya ka bala penon kam ha Pung Umiam uba jino khar buli budi urang ba Shnong jong Shnong Mawlyndep ulai thu bahagi por ki ba kham man shwa kane ke jaka shong kai pengat ya kebala jutip kum ka krem dengim kalong ke jaka bajudem bat jushong da kimrat dengim bat kine ke dengim ki penjulor bah ya ke jingthong jingtep jong ki nong rep ha ke Shnong Mawlyndep ha ki por ki ba kham man shwa kajuan ra ru ya ke jingmai ki nong shong shnong bat ki nong rep bat ki jupanan kam ban king da ki soloi ha belet shalom shawa yo wan dat ki dengim ya tu orang ba Shnong bat ki nong rep
ha ka tu puan dai kalong ba ki beriu ki ka dengim ka sai ri se song hang te te kata kepuan te kata mungkin ki ong ki haluk mta tikin dia kali ki beriu kawa ayu kate kawa krim dengim te dei na kata ka bagai song ka dengim puan mansua kisah ong haluk mta kade krim dengim te ki beriu ta kepuan tikin dei chete tiki tieng kai namar baka krim dengim temo tieng te badan ka dengim te da hadian kamtu ki beriu ka sedang penyeruai kila buat jenong Shnong te mat ka dengim na ayu ka phet no ke te hadu mta ka dengim kom don su ka sa kata khana ka tengkin ba hadu mta te ka ki ong ka deka krim dengim mar ka song handa ka dengim te por ba ka don ka dengim te kalong mta ken kum kir hodem ka bam te ki beriu ku to po ti ki hodem te ka bam ki hodem nang ta wat kini ki nong amasi ki nong balang ro te tieng kan bali apite naman bukan kan dengim long tag ki badon suloi te kira te om baro badon suloi katapi om baro ki beri badon suloi te rei ka ba kham yai man mit man yong te kita kim je yai dum kum tu batia te kira itu badon musa ke te nara dong musa te dengim ka te ya ka ding te banda suloi te chano beri saling baduk teh nyayo suloi chano baro-baro kata kita ada musa tu baro-baro udon aku polo yak nyet teloi ongken habra ada musa hali mimra ada musa tu mlong mal kadon ka dengim yo kenduk dengim tenara ada musa kam ta dengim kalau yu itelap het
khendiat haba pai kam jungok kai perthai ha ke Shnong Mawlyndep kadai lengba ka jingklan jong ki social media ka bakentup i ki Facebook ka WhatsApp ka Instagram bat kum juru ke YouTube baka pertai baro ka wei ka yui ka jing internet jong kane ka jaka kat adu bagi bor sarkar ru kila shimkhia bha hagi kam jungo kai pertai ha kane ka than da ka jingmi jong ki khobor bat ka jing shimkhia jong sarkar lamba ki tanat trikam baper lala ban punio ikilat jing irap bat wat menteri rangba ka sarkar jala konrad kongkal sangma ulawan yu kujat ha Shnong Mawlyndep ban sakhi dalade kumno ka Shnong kalong bat shushu da ka jingwan jong menteri rangba lala ban pun orlong ya ki babon ki kam ha po kane ka than baru menteri rangba ka jala ula penrung sendon ya ka Mawlyndep ha ka map jong ka jaka jongok kai perthai ya ka bau neu menteri rangba ula ra sendon ha yeng darbar thawan ka jala ha ka darbar mang tengkak barang syudep ya thu urang ba Shnong uti urang ba Shnong ulai thu ba ka darbar Shnong kala ban ati ya ka tanat tourism ya ka jaka ka ba shipho akar ban penpo ya ki jingirap na ka banta ka jingpen itanat ya ka Shnong ka thau ban ha ka bala dep ru ban ete bar ka tanat ban yirap kerpang ya ki nong Shnong ha ka yo kam yo jam.
Hi, my name is Dombe Moman and I'm here studying in UCC. I'm staying in Mawlyndep as a rented house, and people in here is very approachable, very kind and very generous. I've seen most of these people, like 80% of these villagers, they depend on agriculture and then rearing. And then this place is very beautiful. I hope people should urge to the government that this people is very suitable for the tourism, and then welcoming people, and then very socialized people. When I first came here, it's been like 2 years or 3 years. People are so socialized and people are so friendly. I feel at home here. I get gold from you.
The beautiful village. Now we are in Mawlyndep. So we can see there in the beautiful lake. Beside the Mawlyndep, we can see the beautiful view of Umiam Lake. So this is the beautiful village we can see here. We study in the UCC college, and we came here as with friends and all. We came to Rome and all, and we feel very thankful to this village, so that these village people are really good, and they help people as a friendly, and they stay with us, and they help whatever we need, whatever we ask, they help us.
Shnong te kalong ba naga keniga snem ka la lek bat ka bom ta te kadang jing phe na ma jing tristom ka ba kong san gede jing tristom jung rong ba Shnong pan kala na ko po te kham tam bang ne Shnong ma gi jing im gi breu dei lang ba jing tristom lam ta ka rep ka riang bo ong phi ma jing kala te dei la ka rep ka riang Ndagi hang ne Shnong gi bon ba gi breu gi ba dang ya rep ya riang tuna gi nong tre kam sarkar.
What I just want to inform here now, the government has already tabled this project, with Mawlyndep to be recognized as a tourist spot. Mawlyndep now will be in the map of the tourism department, and as the government also already sanctioned 15 crores. So now many consultants, many surveyors, and many designers has come to this place, which from the Mawlyndep village, which we already donated a land of 10 acres for construction and for the project of the resort, which is given by the governments. So I also thanks the Chief Minister, Chief Minister Sri Konrad Sangma, for taking initiative and put all the efforts to make Mawlyndep a tourism eco sport tourism of that project. Ki nong Shnong hi hangni ngidon kumba aspa akuyin. Hakani ke Shnong tingidon ka total populations kalong 1000 nyo puwei nang tangidon sanspa khat nyo ki shinrang sanspa lai pusau kan thei khambun kan thei ani Shnong te ka 90% na ki nong Shnong hi ki nong rap ki barep jhor ki barep ki agriculture farmers nang ta kidon kumbalai pho so pho yeng household ki badang depend ya ka livelihood jong ki naka tong dok kha na thina pung ban na ki biwe tenang ta kidon pada ki ba ri jingri ki bari masi ri belang ri sniang gumta te kidon pada ki ba ki sipo tang san ru pasan ki batrai government job te henry babun hi ki de ki nong rap ki nong belas ngi